Hello everyone, my name is Naresh Chetri. I'm an adjunct instructor of computer science at Lindenwood University. Today I'm going to talk about the two powerful tools of the JavaScript. So uh, out of the two powerful tools, the first one is the DOM and the second one is the jQuery. So as Tom suggests, it is one of the document object model. That is the one powerful tool described by JS to access the content of the web page. Here, the content of web page we generally mean the content of HTML page, and it can be other web pages too. Because our browsers, say for example, the Google Chrome, that uses the DOM to track of the elements. Elements means the elements can be head, title, body, heading, one paragraph. These all are the elements. So when we load our HTML documents, our browsers that automatically converts the element in a tree-like structure. Although it's a tree-like structure, so exactly what it means, everything is the tag based we have inside the HTML, and inside that something like head and then we have a body, as we all know, and inside body there can be several elements. So like this, we have two things inside the body, that is heading one and the paragraph. So the purpose is to we can access and modify this tree structure because we need to access that. So to access that, we should have a unique ID, or we say that's as a unique name. Say like your enrollment number, or how you identify the student, the unique name for that. So we assign that name with the help of the attribute ID. For example, here we are assigning the main heading for the H1. So when we are trying to access the H1 over the JavaScript part, we will use the name main heading to work upon that. In this way, we can assign anything. For the paragraph, we can assign the ID equal to para1, something like that. So that should be unique, and you can access that ID over the JavaScript, and you can work on that and modify and access that. Similarly, our second powerful tool is the jQuery. jQuery is nothing but it is a JavaScript library. So what do you mean by the library? It is a collection of lines of code. So in simple language, if we talk about the Python library, so anybody has heard like the Python has the library, something called like NumPy or matplotlib. So they are nothing, they are the collection of Python codes that help to access and to do more things, and that help to make your work easier. So they provide us a set of functions. For example, they give us a function like hide. So they are the built-in function. So you can use that function and make work and make the changes in our code. So that means we are that functions or that library is allowing us the full control over the content of web pages. So that's why it is a collection of related tools. This can be function elements, and once we load that library, so we can load that library with the help of a script tag. You all know that, and after loading that, we can use it functions and the methods that are predefined. And obviously the entire library. So the library is that is a file called jQuery dot mean dot js. So that js file denotes the library, and that library contains nothing but line of the JavaScript code. As it says, the purpose is to write less and do more, because we are accessing the inbuilt function and methods from that. So to make our work easier and make our work faster.